What are you doing, Peter?
This has gone to Billy.
Is that working?
Yeah.
You doing that?
Yeah. You'll be able to see yourself in a minute.
They've got a video, yeah, mostly.
Try to get the two of you together. Yeah, I got it. You can say what you want because you'll hear every word you say.
This big fat pig, he's just he had his own dinner. Oh, sorry, Gene. Smile. You're on camera.
No, you are.
Oh, I am. He had his own dinner. Now he's just eating Oscars. Big fat pig. Popping all night.
Out here, and she moved into another house. Now I've heard that she's moved out of that house back to the same blocks of flats.
Yeah.
So I don't know the number.
Because some of the kids had flats there as well,
Yeah,
didn't they?
well this is a different place now. She's gone back to some kind of flats or something.
Jock's not changed much.
Somebody's breaking out jobs. Somebody's breaking out.
Yeah,
Got an indoor button there, Dad.
When were we last?
It's alright, you can have some quick shot.
What do you mean don't like eggs? I don't like eggs. Don't you?
Had them once.
You got to go back in the light, Bo.
No, no.
In the light, come in the light.
Go back in the light.
Take one and action.
Walk back, walk back.
Walk backwards.
Yeah, but the light's not right, Bo.
Isn't it?
No.
Has to be good for this one. I mean, she's, getting on a bit. Hang on. This is better for her. Green light, great.
That has got to be worth a few, Bo. You name it, we have it. From before.
You doing that, Blair?
Before the war. Right after when they stopped.
Yeah.
Lonnie Flanagan. Original Elvis Presley.
Do you want omelette?
That'd do, Bob. Terrific.
Omelette.
Omelette sandwich, yeah. Omelette with chips.
Hello, darling. Omelette and everything.
Look at her coming down the stairs falling.
Yeah, falling.
I'll be right downstairs.
Come on, baby. Romeo and Juliet.
Say no, okay.
This is so okay.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Lovely.
That's what the dog thinks
It's all
of it.
on here.
Omelette and chips. How'd you fancy baked potato?
Did you get your hair cut, Roger?
Yeah. Got quite a lot off this time. Oh, shut up, Georgette.
She's toast.
I know, she never stops, actually.
Tuck your head up.
Hey, you're right here.
Cheryl cuts all out here.
You're right, the new.
Cheryl cuts all out here. Because it's lit. She said it was dark. She said
It's like the old days with the cameras that, people took plenty of shots with the lens on and you got no pictures.
yeah.
Who are you looking at, Georgette? You're miles away then.
What's the deal? I was thinking about
Please. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss. No.
Good boy.
Kate's coming, he'll tell you off. Yes, he will. I didn't see. He's only got teeth that bite.
Yeah, but the ones that he's
the same
got.
one that you came with.
And calls with your pieces.
He came
And
with
it
him.
calls in you.
It's the third Christmas.
It's just that name doesn't go with him.
Clint?
I mean, Clint, you expect to
Clint
give lots of money.
Valentine.
Yeah.
It's the third Christmas.
Yeah.
There's always money out there, Bob. You want to work for it?
Load of arseholes, nice, aren't they? I mean, people-wise.
Yeah, honest, yeah. Yeah. I do a lot of work on the radio, Bob, so I know where I'm...
Huh?
I do a lot of work on the radio, so I know where I'm kicking out and where I'm going.
DJ in your spare time?
Yeah,
What?
Clinton, but he's Clint.
I don't wish to know that, thank you very much.
Yeah. Been parking up.
You've been to work on him, haven't you?
I meant to bring some pictures of them when they were in the work.
Huh?
So you kind of come over to dinner one night. You
I'd
said you
love
was
to,
2 years
yeah.
ago.
Well, that'd be great.
I know, but I keep up. I asked you, didn't I? You have done
Oh, a year ago, but
2 years.
whole bloody life's changed since then.
So easy was the man knows it's the
Is that some? I'll put it on there.
You got no more shows like time?
We did window boxes and everything for them in there, yeah. So what are you doing for Christmas, Peter?
Working. I do always work. I've
Nice to
always,
see you haven't changed.
I always work Christmas.
Go to the other shops then.
Yeah.